Honor 90. Review: Unveiling the Charisma of Luxury. Let's set the record straight. Honor may have temporarily exited the global smartphone arena, but its resplendent return in India is nothing short of a spectacle. While we've had to rely on external sources for glimpses of its portfolio, the Honor 90 ensures the brand hasn't missed a beat, seamlessly picking up where it left off. Described as the epitome of luxury, the Honor 90 boasts a design inspired by the worlds of fashion and jewelry, featuring enchanting colors like emerald green and diamond silver. The former exudes a subtle elegance with its matte frosted glass, while the latter adds a touch of razzle-dazzle. Even the midnight black option caters to those seeking a more conventional aesthetic. The slim and lightweight build, measuring at 7.8mm and 183 Dring for a 6.7-inch phone, adds an extra layer of opulence. Tapering edges provide a natural grip, earning a big thumbs up for Honor's design choices, though a hint of water resistance would have been a welcomed addition. Moving on to the display, the Honor 90 dazzles with a feature-packed AMOLED panel. Supporting an unparalleled 3,140 Hz risk-free dimming, it sets a new industry standard. The flicker-free experience, especially at lower brightness levels, ensures comfort during extended late-night viewing sessions. With a peak brightness of 1,600 nits for HDR10+ content, the display is a visual feast, maintaining vivid colors in any mode. The Honor 90 offers unparalleled control over resolution and refresh rate, allowing users to tailor their experience. The performance, driven by a massive 200-megapixel main camera and Snapdragon 7 Gen 1, presents a mixed bag. While day-to-day use excels with no throttling or overheating, the chipset choice may not satisfy power enthusiasts or gamers. macOS 7.1 adds a breath of fresh air to the software experience, drawing inspiration from iOS. While it seamlessly integrates various features, the promised bloat-free experience falls short. Honor commits to 2 years of major OS updates and 3 years of security updates, which slightly trails behind industry standards. Battery life proves to be a minor letdown, despite the 5,000 mAh capacity. The 66W fast charging, though swift, faces competition in the segment. The camera setup, featuring a 200-megapixel main sensor and 50-megapixel front camera, offers impressive recording capabilities. However, the absence of optical image stabilization and some odd choices impact overall photo quality, with soft details and average dynamic range. As for the big question, should you buy the Honor 90? At its original price, perhaps not. However, with enticing offers and discounts, the Honor 90 becomes a solid contender, depending on your trust in the brand. Product-wise, it remains a stalwart, and with the promise of local manufacturing and enhanced customer support, Honor's resurgence is indeed a warm, refreshing promise. The Honor 90, with its touch of magic, invites users to reminisce about the brand's glory days, signaling a hopeful future in the ever-evolving smartphone landscape.